Hey guys, Sylvia here, and welcome all to my Recipes Photo Empire review. So then, Recipes Photo Empire is the newest launch by Alessandro Zamboni, and it is going live today on the 11th of September. As I'm looking at the time, anytime soon it will go live, and you will find the link to the sales page of this product right below my review. Go check it out, but we will go through everything. I've got access to the members area and some splendid bonuses, and I did take my sweet time selecting those bonuses, so they are well thought through. They complement the product nicely, bellissimo, okay? Right, okay, so what this product is all about is basically, guys, a set of well over 500 prompts, Midjourney prompts. So prompts you would give to Midjourney is an AI image generating tool, the best out there. It used to be free, not anymore, but you can still do a free trial. However, also, like in my review, I'll give you some alternatives to Midjourney. One of them will be cheaper, the other one will be actually free. Okay, so stay for that. I'll mention that. I hope I'm not gonna forget to mention those platforms at some point during my review. Those alternatives to Midjourney. So you have prompts which will allow you to generate AI generated recipe images. Okay, so all sorts of recipes, all sorts of categories that you can obviously then use for your website, blogs, as a freelancer, sell them in packages. What else can you do with them? It's really just your imagination that would be the limit here. If you're in that cooking niche for cookbooks, well, also for social media posts and all of that, right? So let's go ahead and check everything out, guys. Now here is, so that's Alessandro Zamboni, the Warrior Plus launch, guys. Here we have the sales page. Go check it out. It will be right below my review. We'll come back to that, but I just want to show you. I have the members area here, so I'll show you what's inside. These are the prompts. Then we have the funnel, guys. Well, only free upsells and then cool upsells too. And then my bonuses, which I will discuss at the end of my review. Now, on the sales page, they say use the power of Midjourney to create real recipes, photos. So guys, Midjourney is on Discord. It's a platform on Discord. You just need to know what kind of prompt to give to this bot, and it will create splendid images like these ones here. You'll find plenty of examples on the sales page, okay, within a matter of seconds. And that's what they precisely say. They say create fabulous recipe images. I think it should be not recipes. Recipe images, that's what I would say, in seconds for websites and cookbooks with our set of 590 Midjourney prompts, guys. Okay, so please go check it. This is beautiful, this one. Yeah, really stunning. Okay, beautiful looking images. And then I do like how they say what you can actually hear. They give you ideas as to how you can generate, income with these images, so you can use them. Income, how they can help you, because you can use them for recipe books and ebooks, websites and food blogs, social media posts, ads and advertising, restaurant menus, sell them on stock photo websites, create cooking apps, sell them in packages, and much, much more. I would also obviously say sell them as a freelancer on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer.com, People Power, all of that, okay? So especially if you're an established freelancer. Okay, so these are the vendors. Now go check out the sales page, guys. It is below my review. That's the members area. Sweet and short, not much here to show you, but there's a lot of value. However, obviously, it's just here you need to click through, and you're gonna be taken to this sort of like a spreadsheet. And then you also have I like that they give you here's like a quick start guide, and then as a bonus you get 25 AI tools to create cooking recipes. Okay, so that's fantastic. So here are all of the prompts in all kinds of categories. I'm just gonna scroll quickly through it. They're always, not always, over 500 prompts. Okay, and in this here members area you also have a couple of videos. Now these videos are not in a way not relevant to this product as such. I thought first there was a mistake before I actually read this message here. They say, even though these training videos are from another series, you can learn how to use those prompts and make better creations. Okay, they are from another product about children coloring books prompts, but you know, it doesn't matter. Okay, because the method is the same. It's just the prompts that are here in that specific product different. Okay, but you know, the method applies to the creation of mid-journey prompts regardless of what kind of niche the prompts are in. That doesn't matter. So watch those videos, and here you even have a training on how to edit wrong images and how to upscale them. They recommend you guys tools that you can use to make the images even looking more clear. So yeah, upscaling. They do recommend some nice platforms, and most of them are actually free. Okay, so yeah, these are the prompts. As I said, you just click here, copy paste, and go into Midjourney. Just follow the training, and voila, it's gonna take you really a few seconds to actually create stunning images like the ones you will find on the sales page. I mean, this is looking amazing. What is it? Must be like a smoothie with basil, lemon. Wow, super refreshing. I'm gonna make one soon anyway too. Yeah, lunchtime. Now, here is the funnel, guys. Only 3 upsells. So actually, let me show you the price of the front end. It is $17. So 17, and then you will have 3 upsells. Upsell number 1, 27. It's a collection of 1,460 mid-journey prompts for even more recipes. Okay, so a lot of value there, well over 1,000 additional prompts. Now upsell number 2, 67, a collection of 5,000 mid-journey prompts to create food, advertising, photography, and elegant, artistic, and minimalist dishes. Minimalist dishes, I love it. That's what I like most. Chop up the papaya, the big one, the ripe one, like ideally right off the tree, and have it for lunch. Wow, that's my like most favorite sort of meal. Simples. Anyhow, OTO number 3, 47, a set of high quality recipe books, recipe book templates to use in Canva for creating books to resell. And by the way, so this is the funnel. Okay, I have some, that's what I said, I did put quite a bit of time and thought as to what bonuses to give you guys if you decide to buy this product via the link below my review. So the bonus number 1, guys, is, and all of them are PLR, which is personal license rights. So you can give them away as bonuses as well, you know, for your own promotional campaigns as an affiliate, or, you know, whatever. And you can also resell them. Okay, now the number 1 is how to produce amazing AI images with Midjourney. Again, it's a PLR, so check this out. As you can see, you just click through here and you will find those bonuses if you go to Warrior Plus and purchase history to the product you buy, and then you access affiliate bonuses from there, okay, from your Warrior Plus account. But back to this bonus. So how to create those amazing images with Midjourney. You have the graphics, you know, social media. As you can see, you will have them that here. You have the PDF, Word, audio version, video, and all of that. And then you can, guys, yeah, resell it. Okay, you can customize it if you want. So yeah, you can do that. And then bonus number 2, and it's an amazing. Let me just open up the PDF. Okay, so what it looks like. And that was around, you know, it's 29 pages long. So all to do how to use Midjourney, and you know, especially it's gonna be helpful if it's new for you, if you're sort of like a beginner when it comes to Midjourney. Now, bonus number 2 is how to create and edit professional images for free with Canva. It's a PLR tool. Again, let me just quickly show you what it looks like, this bonus. Graphics, all of that, and voila. Okay, and you have the PDF. Let me check how long the PDF is, double check. 48 pages long. This is like a serious tutorial, all to do with Canva, how to create images for free with Canva. So as you can see, loads of images here. And then bonus number 3 is how to rapidly build easy money machines with AI images. That's targeting, this bonus is targeting freelancers, guys. You will learn, it's a PLR too, okay? You will learn how to sell various gigs. You can sell packages of AI generated recipe, you know, books or images, okay, on Fiverr, Upwork, here and there. This one is specifically talking about Upwork, okay, and how you can crash it on Upwork. So you can from setting up the account, you know, all of the, from A to Z, all covered. So there you go. So these are my bonuses. And yeah, I did show you the funnel. Go check out the sales page, guys, of, you know, of what was it called again? Recipes Photo Empire. And now before we go, guys, let me just recommend to you another tool that's called Leonardo AI. Okay, this is a free tool, guys. Now these prompts you can use with Leonardo.ai as well. This is a free one. One thing you will be limited on here is just the number of images you will be able to create. If you want to create with this tool, like, you know, hundreds and thousands of images a day, you won't be able to do it with a free account. I forgot as to how many, okay, the number, how many images you're limited a day, but you know that, please forgive me, I could have checked, but I forgot. I mean, I did know it at some point, but I just forgot. I know there is a limit as to how many images you can create a day, but you know, if you stick to, let's say, I don't know, 10, 20, 50 maybe, you should be fine with the free account, okay? Then another tool I could recommend you that is cheaper. There you go, I was searching for it earlier. It's called Blue Willow, okay? It's a free AI art generator as well. Now you can do a free trial. The prompts you can use with both this Leonardo and the Blue Willow as well. Having said that, Midjourney is the best of the best, okay? I must, you know, be honest here. Midjourney is a monthly subscription after the trial, okay? Midjourney is on Discord, okay? And so is this one, I believe, Blue Willow. But you are shown here how to create the account, and then they say after your free trial is over, right? You can subscribe for as little as $5 a month. So, you know, Midjourney is $10 a month, and Blue Willow for the basic plan, you pay $5 a month. And again, Leonardo is free. So guys, that was my review on Recipes Photo Empire. If that's for you, by all means, you can get it from me. Remember, my splendid bonuses are yours if you pick it up via the link below my review. Okay, love you and leave you, and ciao, see you soon.